Perfect 3 minutes on the dot. Up next, we have Hoot Reading, a startup connecting families through products that promote early childhood learning. Welcome to the stage, Hoot Reading.
Reading. It very well may be the least sexy topic to hit center stage at Collision. However, had any one of you not been reading proficiently by grade 4, you very well may not be sitting here today. People are often shocked to hear that over 2/3 of kids are reading below grade level by this critical milestone. And this is 2/3 of all kids. These numbers are far worse for our marginalized youth. So what happens to these kids come grade 4, certainly grade 5, is they start to struggle. But really, they're struggling in math and science because they're not comprehending their math problem, or they're not reading their science text quickly enough to do well on the test. They fall behind. They're labeled by themselves, their teachers, their parents, their peers as a poor student, and this impacts the rest of their educational journey and beyond. And the worst part, this stat is from before the pandemic, the worst learning loss we've seen in over a century. Hi everyone, I'm Carly, the co-founder of Hoot Reading, the first and only online tutoring company specifically focused on literacy. We connect kids with real classroom teachers to read online over the Hoot Reading app, which was incubated in a research project at Sesame Workshop, the creators of Sesame Street, where I used to work. We are a team of 40 head office in Winnipeg, and we have a network of over 1,000 teachers working with us. We just closed our first seed round, led by Spin Master Ventures, and we're on a mission to make sure that all kids have the opportunity to become a proficient reader by the time they need to be. So what does the future hold for Hoot and for EdTech? First, I'll leave you with 2 thoughts. First, the future is teacher-forward and human-centric. If you look at this picture, this is an inner-city classroom in New York City, and every single child is online with a different teacher. That's 23 kids, 24 teachers, 23 doing one-on-one reading lessons, 1 at the front doing classroom management. That's the future. Second, the future of EdTech and the future of Hoot is cross-sectoral. At Hoot Reading, we work not only with parents and school boards, but also with companies like Accenture, who is purchasing Hoot Reading for their employees as a corporate benefit, as a way to promote D&I and help support working parents like myself. Companies like TD Bank are funding kids at Boys and Girls Clubs across Canada to do reading lessons online. So you may have noticed that there's no EdTech stream here at Collision. We all have the opportunity to shape who is sitting in this room in 20 years. Thank you.